You will be amazed by this 2021 Honda Civic. With less than 35,000 miles on the you'll look smart and sporty in the Civic sedan. It packs sophisticated style, impressive fuel efficiency, powerful performance, and advanced safety and connectivity technology. Best of all, it's simply a joy to drive. The following are some of this vehicle's highlighted options: Apple CarPlay and/or Android Auto, keyless entry, lane keeping assist, adaptive cruise control, fog lamps, electronic stability control, alarm, aluminum wheels, steering wheel audio controls, rear spoiler. Don't settle. Get into the automotive icon that has earned its reputation for excellence over and over again. Drive the Honda Civic sedan.